Kayo'y nakikinig sa Target on Air. Target on Air.
Ito kayo na, pinag-uusapan po natin ay yung problema dyan sa Lanao del Norte, ha? Ito na sa kabilang linya ng ating komunikasyon. At magandang hapon po, Mayor Romel. Welcome po sa Target on Air. At kamusta po kayo ngayon? At Mayor, ano po ba punot dulo? Dito po sa reklamong suspension with due process kay Barangay Chairwoman Luisa Ramos. Maaari po bang kayo na mismo ang magkwento, Mayor?
Okay, Rick, so magandang hapon
Apa.
naman. Ganito yung kwento niyan.
Mhm.
Meron tayong binigay ng isang NGO na patubig.
Apa.
Ginawa na pangalan, Barangay Public Water System.
Mhm.
Ang agreement between the donor and the beneficiary is that they will manage it themselves, na walang intervention ng LGU at saka yung barangay. Ang nangyari ngayon, yung isang subscriber is kapitan ng barangay.
Apa.
Ang ginawa niya, kinuha niya yung tubig, dinirect niya sa kanyang piggery.
Mhm.
Ang impact is nawala ang tubig doon sa mga tao. No worst of all, tinikover niya yung management. Siya yung nag-manage, siya pang yung nangulikta. Inilagay, ginawa nilang barangay water system,
Apa.
which is a violation.
Mhm.
So, nag-report ang president, the subscriber, the board of directors, the officers, nagpunta sa Sangguniang Bayan. Nag-report sila dito sa nangyayari kasi may disciplinary authority naman itong Sangguniang Bayan over the barangay captain.
Mhm.
Nakita dito ng ng Sangguniang Bayan na there is a necessity to investigate. So declare na gawa ng investigation, but it comes with it as preventive suspension.
Mhm.
It is preventive, it's not a punishment. It is just to not to be able to influence itong kapitan sa mga witnesses that are, itatawagin para to witness the case.
Apa.
I signed the preventive suspension. Remember, it's not a punishment.
Mhm.
Ay, kasi kung makita na wala pala itong kasalanan, then maikuha niya yung sweldo niya during the suspension time.
Mhm.
Diyan ako ginawa ng grave abuse of authority and in effect, binigyan ako ng 90-day suspension
Apa.
ng Sangguniang Panlalawigan, ha?
Mhm.
Kasi inakyat, may reklamo pala ito ng kapitan doon sa Panlalawigan. Doon siya nagsumbong na I did grave abuse of authority. Remember, my job here is ministerial. The investigating body here is Sangguniang Bayan. But ang ginawa ng Sangguniang Panlalawigan, parang naisintro sa akin yung suspension. Ako yung tinarget.
Apa. Ano to, Mayor? Dumaan po to dun sa tamang proseso at dumaan dun sa DILG? Kasi medyo may kalituhan na babasa ko dun sa mga comments, sa mga social media.
Hindi ito dumaan sa proper na proseso.
Apa.
Noong nag-declare sila na I will be suspended noong December 23,
Mhm.
nag-issue agad ng implementation or suspension order ng December 27.
Apa.
Na officially, because of the holidays, officially natanggap ng aming council
Mhm.
January 2.
Apa,
Nung
kumbaga,
natanggap namin noong January 2, wala pa, inantay namin yung, nag-EMR kami,
Mhm.
no? Nag-EMR kami. The MR was addressed on January 6.
apa.
It was denied. So
Mhm.
nag-certiorari kami. Remember, the issuance of the suspension order was done December 27, even before the case was resolved.
Apa,
So malaking kasalanan yan. Binamadali nila.
apa, Mayor.
Dapat sana yung implementation order or yung suspension order will come after the resolution of the case. Yung resolution with the MR.
Mhm. Apa, Mayor.
And then yung implementation ngayon, ang nangyari, nakakatawa.
Mhm.
Dahil yung nilagay nila, pinsan nung yung kakandidato ng mayor sa this coming election.
Mhm.
Siya yung nilalagay, which is pinsan ng malaking political clan sa amin.
Apa.
Now, Ang ginawa niya, siya na rin yung nag-sign ng assumption letter niya.
Mhm.
There was no designation. There was no declaration that the office is vacant. Wala siyang designation coming from the governor. Dapat yun ang ibigay niya doon sa DILG.
Apo.
Hello?
Apo, ano to, Mayor? Ano po to? Effective na to? Tong 90 days na to?
Inano pa namin, meron kaming TRO that, the TRO was here this morning.
Apo.
Wala pang result. Pinapakam up pa ng mga documents yung kabila.
Apo.
At there's a chance na ang aming ini-insist dito dahil kahapon is the start of the election period. And the election prohibition has set in. One of the prohibition, there is no more suspension.
Mhm.
If you are being suspended, as long as the case is administrative and there was no intervention by the COMELEC, you are automatically, by rule of law, you will be installed.
Apa.
You're back to normal. You're back to our being a mayor, being a vice mayor, being a Sangguniang member.
Mhm.
Ganon. Dapat ganon.
Apa.
Pero what happened, ayaw nilang i-give up.
Ano to, Mayor? Nakikita nyo, para mga may nasa likod nito para alam naman natin dahil mukhang timing dahil nalalapit yung election eh.
Obviously, it is political.
Mhm.
I hate to say that. Pero kaya lang, napaka-shallow. Ministerial duty.
Apa.
According to Republic Act 7160, I cannot refuse to sign because if I will do that, I can be charged with obstruction of justice.
Apa.
And in doing so, I can be administratively sanctioned.
Mhm.
So I don't, based on that, nakakatawa nga, talagang isa political harassment.
Apa, Mayor,
And I believe na maraming ganito sa buong Pilipinas ngayon eh.
Mayor, ikat ko lang kayo saglit. Nabanggit nyo kanina, December 27 ba tama dumating yung yung letter na yan. Tapos January, yun na-receive.
Okay, December 23, the
Apa.
issuance of the resolution,
Mhm.
the decision that I am suspended.
Apa.
That we, the Vice Mayor and the six Sangguniang Bayan members are suspended.
Mhm.
December 27, nag-issue ng implementation order ang governor.
Apa.
Na-receive namin yung official copy because of the holidays, no? We received the December 23 decision on January 2.
Mhm.
We did an MR on January 2. It was deliberated January 3. Yung implementation order December 27, even before the case was resolved, still pending.
Apa.
How can you issue an implementation order
Mhm.
na nakapending pa yung case? So, there was really walang procedure. Obviously, it's a grave abuse of authority.
Apa, Mayor, sa ano po to? Apa, Mayor, sa 90 days po, aabutin kayo ng election day niyan.
Kaya nga sinasadya nila yon because if they are incumbent,
Mhm.
they can use the incumbency for the campaign.
Apa.
Pera ng gobyerno, hindi natin mga ito eh. Gutom ito eh. Oh.
Apa, Mayor, kamusta ang relasyon nyo ni Governor Angging Dimaporo?
Hindi na maganda ang relasyon namin, although I declare before the five candidates that I am there.
Apa.
I will be supporting them, and I've been supporting them since 2010.
Mhm.
And until before the filing candidacy, we told her na you don't listen to chismis because we are with you always.
Mhm.
Even if we are not on the same political alliance, but we are always in support since the beginning. Since 2010, we are always in support sa kanilang pamilya.
Apa.
Now, but somehow, I don't know for what reason, parang galit lang sila sa akin eh. Parang hindi naman ako nakikipag-away.
Apa.
I really want to serve the people of Kasuagan. I want to be neutral. Hindi ako sa for any party. I stayed and I work hard and I want always be small. In the middle lang ako.
Samantalang napakaganda ng ginagawa nyo dyan sa bayan po ng Kauswagan at sunod-sunod yung mga award nyo natatanggap, Mayor.
Yes,
Hindi ba natutuwa ang provincial governor na kapag maganda ginagawa nyo dyan sa municipality, ang nagbe-benefits din ang
I'll tell you,
province
Rex,
ng Lanao del Norte?
sabihin ko sa iyo, Rex,
Mhm.
since 2010 naging akong mayor, I started getting award in 2013.
Apa?
Minsan hindi ako naka-receive ng congratulation or appreciation from my provincial government.
Ay, Mayor, baka iba na yung number nyo, di na alam ni Gob.
Ha?
Baka iba na yung cellphone number nyo, di na alam ni Governor.
Hindi ko masyadong naririnig, Rex.
Mayor, sabi ko, baka po iba na yung number nyo, hindi na kayo nakokontakt ni Governor.
Ako naman, hindi na ako nakipag-away. No? If they will call me, I will answer. Wala naman akong kasalanan.
Apa?
In fact, I brought in Prestige and
Mhm.
sa Lanao del Norte, 60% of the income.
Apa?
Kauswagan is contributing 60% of the income of Lanao Norte. We are now first class. From fifth, we are now first class. We garner a lot of awards. Galit pa yung mga board members sa akin. Bakit daw ako binanggit yung mga awards?
Mhm.
Sabi ko sa kanila, bakit nung nag-mayor kayo, siguro wala kayong award. So, pati pa yung award ko, dapat we have to appreciate that. Pero pinagsilusan pa.
Mhm. Mayor Bali, ano naging reaksyon ng inyong kababayan nung malaman itong balita na to, itong 90 days na to?
Ay galit lahat.
Mhm.
Alam mo naman, we are very popular doon sa Kauswagan because of what we are doing.
Apa.
No? Lahat doon tinulungan, pati na yung grupo ng MILF, MNLF, ginawa nating farmers sila,
Apa.
tinulungan, subsidize yung kanilang mga farming activities,
Mhm.
pati yung mga education, sa lahat na. As long as we have the capacity,
Apa.
we help everybody.
Mhm.
Kaya ang baba ng aming poverty incident, we're on a single-digit poverty incident.
Apa.
Continuing natin 365 days in a year. Because that's the key and the secret strategy para ma-eliminate mo yung kagutuman, kapobrehon, ganon.
Apa. Nako, at interesado kaming subaybayin itong problema dyan sa Kauswagan. Mayor, mensahe po sa inyong mga constituent, mga nanunod, nakatutok sa atin.
Keep on the support.
Apo.
Dahil we are on the right. I know that righteousness will always prevail. Ayun lang, Rex.
Apa. Mhm. Ingat po palagi, Mayor.
Yes, I will. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Pakinggan ang agenda ng inyong mayor para sa inyong lugar. Ang mga hakbang na ginagawa nila upang bigyang solusyon ang mga hinaing at problema ng inyong komunidad. At alamin ang mga good news na hatid nila sa taong bayan. Mayor's Hour sa Target On Air.